Hello, foodie friends. Captain Create here. In this month of Valentine's, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of sweet treats and notes from friends and loved ones. That's why we're going to talk about dates.
There it is. Okay. I can't believe I'm doing this.
Hi, I'm so excited. Nice bow tie.
Not that kind of date, silly. The food kind.
There's a food kind of date?
Yeah, they look like giant raisins, but have a sweet, nutty, cinnamony flavor. You almost have to eat them with milk.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Dates grow on date palm trees that look similar to the trees that grow coconuts. These trees can grow in warm tropical climates and can even grow in swamps and in deserts. The fruit grows in large clusters from April or May and can be picked until August. They make a great snack throughout the year though, because the fruit can stay good for several months and even up to 1 year.
Wow, that's a long time.
Dates are also a good source of fiber and give you awesome nutrients, including important minerals like potassium, calcium, magnesium, and lots more. And the best part is, they are used in a lot of amazing dessert recipes. So be sure to try one sometime, because they are so good. Just be sure not to eat the pit in the middle. It's fun learning about new fruits, isn't it? Check out the links below for some awesome recipes, and don't forget to subscribe to Captain Create.